Let me see whose it is. Yeah, he's supposed to take it with him and he didn't. Put it back in there. And he's going to need it today for art. Yay, Demazier. Not following directions. Okay, let me do attendance real quick because I have an attendance. I get to put that everybody's here.
It feels weird seeing you in heels.
Felt weird being in tennis shoes all the time.
Is Megan coming?
Right this moment, I can't remember. I slept so well last night that today was Saturday. Yeah, that's a good sleep, isn't it?
Yeah.
My husband laughed at me because this is Friday. You gotta get up. Oh. You got to wake up and get up to ready for work. I was ready for the week to be over. Oh yeah. It's been like that lately. So your mom asked me how your first day went yesterday, Joanna. I have to ask you, how did you think your first day went? Was it exhausting? No? It is for the teacher that runs 3 labs a day. Everybody's here. 21 little people. All right. That's done. Where's my number 1? This number 1? Oh no, it'll be a while before mold grows. Okay. Here is Melanie. Share screen. Live image. Share. Share. Go get a bucket to receive all this. We are on page 37. And today is not as much writing either. Yeah.
How many pages?
1 page writing. 3.
Not that bad. I showed my mom what I was. I showed my mom yesterday.
4 pages of writing.
I showed my mom yesterday how much work I did, and she's like, "I'm proud of you." And then I showed her the grade, and she was like, "You still got a 15 out of 15 with all that work, and you had to catch up."
Your teacher helps a lot too, though, right? Okay, so remember me telling you that peat moss does a great job of absorbing water?
Yeah.
Look, it's dry on top, right? It did a fabulous job of absorbing water. I also added some of the potting soil on top. Well, it does, but it's peat moss. It's, again, the Elmo kind of distorting the color a little bit, but here's some of the potting soil. It's the darker stuff. So it did a good job of absorbing water. Down in here, I can feel it's a little bit moist. And thankfully, I don't see ants walking all around. I do see dirt blown all around. You recall that I told you guys I made every one of these stream tables different, right?
Yeah.
So second block had more leaves and grass on top. So when I turned the fan on second blocks, it didn't blow any dirt. Why?
Because it's blocking it. Yeah.
The leaves and grass were blocking the dirt. So it protected the dirt from blowing. And literally, leaves and grass were moving a little bit, but it didn't really blow any dirt. Third block didn't have as much leaves and grass mixed in with the hill. So the dirt went up in the air, and I've got dirt all over this shelf. And it got all over my computer. Actually, I spilled water on the computer too.
It's not broken.
And I quickly threw the microfiber towel absorb water on my laptop keyboard because when you pour water, where did I put my water bottle? Oh, there it is. Joanna, can you bring the water bottle over there? When I poured the water bottle, have you ever poured a lot of Dr. Pepper out of a bottle and it's kind of going and it's gone on across your counter or whatever? So it did that when I was pouring water and it went gloop, gloop, gloop on the keyboard. It splashed water on it. So I very quickly grabbed the towel and absorbed the water for it. No, they don't. Towels are there now on my desktop monitor. Yes, Megan.
Your screen is frozen.
Okay. Just doing this every morning. Okay, so share screen. Yes, restart the share. Okay, is it unfrozen now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So point is, this has been rebuilt. The hill yesterday I rebuilt, put more peat moss on top, put more potting soil on top. So it's thirsty for more water. It's about to get a lot of water. Okay. So we're still working on an understanding of erosion and what is erosion again. If you need a reminder, go in your notebook to what we wrote yesterday, the Frere model, page 35. Weathering is breaking down rock. Erosion, something a little different. Jordan.
Erosion is where breaking rock and moving.
Yes. So erosion is breaking it and moving it. Okay. Weathering is just breaking it. All right. So we're still working on learning about breaking and moving rock. All right. That's why we built these things. Okay. We're learning about moving rock, more precisely moving dirt.
Where are you going to put that when you're done?
In the trash bag. I have heavy duty trash bags and construction bags. They're really thick. And then we enjoy hauling them away. Oh, yes. Okay. So today we're looking at rate of erosion. In other words, how fast or slow it goes away. Okay. What else do we look at rates of? No. Do you guys race each other on the playground?
No.
Really? Y'all don't race each other on the playground? But
But
on the grass, don't y'all race each other?
last year. No, I don't.
Isn't that the rate of your running? That's rate of running. That's speed. Point is, that's speed. That's rate of running. Okay? So do people race cars?
Yeah.
That's the rate of the car.
Yeah, and I raced my brother's down
And that's
driveway
rate
on a
of,
bike.
that's rate of your bike.
I raced my brother with my
Do people race horses? Put the glue stick up and stop playing around. You're not going to be to glue the page in.
Yes.
Don't people race horses?
Yes.
Don't people race greyhounds, which is kind of dog?
Yes.
That is rate of horses and rate of dogs. Okay? When you're looking at rates, you're talking about how fast one thing is versus another thing. Okay? So today, and well, just today, we're looking at rate of erosion, how we can make something faster versus slower when it comes to erosion. Okay. Yesterday, what was something that was fast erosion? Michaela.
The water fast and the wind moved it, and the air moved it.
When we said water, are we talking about the rainfall moved it fast or The flood moved it fast. The flood. And the wind moved it slowly, didn't it?
Mhm.
Okay. So in your notebook where it says question, see that question I have on the board in that same color green? What affects how quickly and slowly erosion occurs?
Mhm.
Big old question I wrote on the board. The biggest thing I wrote.
How we write it
You're going to write that where it says question.
in.
Where it
How do
says,
you put a Q like that?
oh, don't worry about the or. Where it says question, identify the question you're investigating, Aaliyah. Where it says question, identify the question you're investigating. You're going to write that. What affects how quickly or slowly erosion occurs? You're going to write that on your page. Did Miss Ramirez do the 5 pencil challenge where you have the 5 pencils and the toothbrush holder? No? Okay. Pull out your toothbrush holder, show me you got 5 pencils.
No, mine is
If you have your toothbrush holder and you have 5 pencils, show it to me and I'll give you a reward. It's a nice reward. I'm almost out of them. I can't give you out any more toothbrush holders. Show me 5 pencils and I'll give you one. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, those of you who have it, hold it up. Because for boys, they get a different one than girls. You don't have 5 pencils? You don't have 5 pencils? Carter, you don't have 5? I did leave my home, guys. I have a nice project today. Really cool pencil sharpeners, especially for girls. Price in red, blue, or green? This benefits me because I won't have everybody asking me for parking their colored pencils. Colored pencil and red pencil. Anybody else? Anybody else?
These are some really cute prizes.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. bad week for not bringing your stuff?
Yes, bad. From the every week. Well, I have 5 minutes.
Listen to me, guys, okay? Mr. Nita is the one that came up with this idea for giving out prizes on Friday. I think I told you guys this before. She's got stuff going on outside school, major stuff. And sometimes things slip her mind. She would normally be on top of this and be the first one rewarding you guys. But she's got big, major stuff going outside school. Okay? Yeah. She is. She's okay. It's mentally exhausting what she's got going on. Okay? So that's why she's forgotten. Okay? And I'm trying to help her out by doing the rewards. Okay?
These are awesome.
Okay? So that's why I do this to help you guys out and help her out. Okay? That's why I don't even miss it. She's got big stuff going on. Big, hard, important stuff. Okay? All right. Did everybody get their question written down? Okay. Those of you who got the pencil sharpeners though, now you have something to sharpen your colored pencils with, okay? Don't use those in anybody else's class though. That's my one request, because you will drive the other 2 teachers up the wall for using those. Don't get me in trouble for it, because they tend to drop and make messes on the floor. Okay? They only get used in this classroom. Okay, did everybody get their question written? What affects how quickly or slowly erosion occurs? Looks like a long neck, something or other. Maybe a kangaroo? Ooh. Okay, so I'm putting this up here so everybody can see it. If it could clear itself up, it'd be fabulous. It can do it. It can do it. There we go. Okay. What affects how quickly or slowly erosion occurs? Come on, it can clear itself up. Yeah, someone's chatting. Okay. Same problem. What's the problem? What chart part? Someone chatting on here. Okay. Make a claim. So your group is going to be us. The rate of erosion increases when water is released more quickly. That's going to be our claim. Yesterday, how much water did we add to the box at one time?
2 liters.
2 liters. So today we're not going to add in the whole 2 liters at one time. We're going to add in a cup of this at a time. And I didn't write this down, but this is 100 milliliters, so it'll be 100 milliliters added in this time. You remember yesterday, Ms. Jordan added in the water, wasn't it? Okay, so she put her hand under it, so the water all got released at one time. Aaliyah, I need you to stop paying attention to the instructions. Okay, so she put her hand under it, so all the water was held, and then the whole 100 milliliters was added at one time, right? Same thing today. So if you notice, this cup has 2 large holes, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
This cup has 1 large hole.
Yeah.
So this time we're manipulating the situation again. Instead of having A flood with one large hole, we have a flood with two large holes. Okay? So you need to copy the claim. The rate of erosion increases when water is released more quickly. Make sense? Looks like we're going to double the flood. I'll do both of them. That way it's uniform. Let's make it where it's uniform. The same person's doing both of them. Well, let me think about it for a minute. We just have to do it. Okay. If you guys have a little bit of copy and do before we actually get to the lab, please don't drum on the desk. Okay, can my friends online read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just copy down. Well, now you don't have to ask any questions.
My mom would use like a shortcut and I let her use his perfectly. I mean, we said looks like a dog house. With baskets on a. What's gonna be the next?
I got some big doors. They fall apart and you'll.
What are they inside?
Okay, Jackson, I know you're just joining. Page 37, your logbook, you need to copy these two things down, okay? The rate of erosion increases when water is released more quickly. Okay, while we're waiting on our newest friend that joined us, let's go over that chart at the top. What are some things that cause erosion to happen slowly? Close that up for now, Logan. Thank you. What are some things that cause erosion to occur slowly? We did some experiments yesterday, did we not? What are some things that cause erosion to happen slowly?
Water. Well, air.
Air in the form of what?
Wind.
Wind. Okay, so let's go back up into our chart. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see this. So I got to zoom in enough so that he can read it. So glacier could cause it to happen slowly. So a glacier, wind. Would it occur quickly if you had something like a hurricane blow through?
Yes.
Yes. What about a flood?
Yeah, flood did.
Okay.
Rainfall.
Rainfall, would that be slow or fast? Think about yesterday, if it was light rain, would it be slow or fast?
No.
Okay, so light rain would be slow erosion.
Strong rain. I put rain.
I'm going to draw strong rain back to flood because strong rain leads to flooding, right?
Yes, it does.
Okay, and that's enough of our list right there. Remember, I get to grade all this today.
This is easy, you know.
It is.
Yesterday, Yay! Ooh, I'm surprised I got it. That's 59.15, which is I want to skip that one day. And then I'll do it. That's what to do on it. That's over there.
Remember, you have a conceptual checkpoint Monday.
Everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna leave on my name. We're PhD today. Yeah. How many people?
Where'd it go?
This is one of my favorite times.
Okay, I saw the screen share for a minute. Where'd it go? There we go. Okay, has everybody finished copying this? Have all my online friends finished copying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Jackson,
Yes, ma'am.
have it. I saw Jackson show up for a minute, but it looks like he disappeared again.
That always happens. I'll look at the messages, see if he's still on there.
It doesn't look like he's on. Okay, I need my face-to-face friends to stop talking. Okay. All right, turning your page to page 38. Okay, so we're supposed to record a investigation plan, and it was supposed to be that each one of my groups was doing their own lesson, their own experiment, but we've talked about reasons that wouldn't work as well. So we're doing one investigation together, and that is your plan. So just copy. Okay.
You can actually take this part off to create bigger. It's really cool, but it is frustrating. One whole cup.
Yes, one whole cup. Yes, ma'am. Number one says set up a stream table. Number two says fill a 1 whole cup with water and hold a hand under the hole so the hole is covered. What's that? Oh, from 8-pack was $10. Just well over $1. Sure.
Yeah, all that when it was all enough. Like, what's the gospel? Did anybody else buy things for you?
Some people, I had one person buy a book, I had somebody buy a pack of hand sanitizer spray. I had some people buy some. I didn't have
The fire school?
and Robertson. Most of the teachers buy for each other. Like I bought thermometers for my teachers. There's $400. That's why all the teachers have thermometers.
What do you think is missing in the room? What do you think is missing in the room?
I found it. I mean, my husband, his job allows me to get
You ever had food like that?
I had a student get me this last year. Get that done, guys. Table, Table. Is that better? Well, that's how I write. It's like a combination of cursive and print.
Well, this is just cursive completely. My desk over there is just
Print.
Jordan.
All right, guys, let's get this done, okay? Yay, Monday does not involve a lab, so I don't have to play in the mud. No, it's science all next week, but Monday does not include playing in mud. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is lab.
So I'm gonna be going home with my dog.
No,
You are.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and actually we're gonna continue the following Monday. Is going to involve a different part of the lab. We're running ahead of schedule. Yeah, we are.
How?
Because we're ahead. The fact that I'm running the labs means we're not doing 2 days on every lab. We're only doing 1 day on each lab, which is putting us ahead of schedule, which is great.
Is this how it is for other science teachers?
The other science teachers struggle to get it done in 1 day. If students do the labs themselves, it's really hard to get it done in
Is
1
that
day.
what they're doing?
Everybody's trying to do teacher run labs right now.
Labs are really fun, but coronavirus is making them boring. Yeah, corona. It's all corona's fault. Yeah. Blame corona. Yeah. Please stop saying corona. People are trying to work with it.
Okay, so next week we're going to learn about the Wright brothers. Yes.
I've heard about them.
And we're going to try to design an engineering solution to try to prevent erosion problems.
Or are we actually going to get to
You're going to try to come up with a solution to try to prevent erosion problems. What's that? Number 4 says record observations. Number 5 says reset the table and repeat steps 2 through 4 2 more times. Number 6 says repeat steps 2 through 5 with a 2 hole cut.
Have you decided? I can't even
Decided? You can't even English? Actually, we'll be finished on Friday. We don't need to do 17. 17 is the one I cut last year, too.
Where is it?
They want us to try doing this lesson 4 different days.
They want us to try? No, thank you. I'm good.
Let me see.
Is it fun?
Okay, who is still copying? Okay. You have 2 minutes, okay? You'll see.
Let me guess. We're gonna have to do a picture.
Remember, Friday is a hybrid day it's a virtual day for all of high school and middle school. So there's a lot of people online today. So that means elementary Zooms are probably going to drop a lot today. High school and middle school. So there's a lot of people on Zoom today.
It might lag.
Yep. All right, who is still writing? Let's get it done. So just an FYI, when it says reset the table, what did you guys see me doing between course? What was I having to do? I was resetting the mountain, but what did I have to do if the mountain was really, really wet?
You had to.
Yeah, but did I have to put some more stuff on it to absorb the water?
Yeah, I remember.
I put peat moss on it and some potting soil on it to absorb some water.
And it what kind of money? And that attracted. Yeah, termites. What? Oh yeah, termites. This building will be full of trees.
I don't know.
Can you check them?
Not seeing any ants today, so it's possible they put out spray or maybe they sprayed my bag. I don't know. I'm just happy to say I don't see any ants right now.
Probably out the bag running around.
No, I haven't seen any this morning, which is nice.
What? You got 2 more minutes of writing.
Come on. Come on, let's get it done, guys.
Yeah. That's all
Logan, have you read the 39 Clues book? 39 Clues. You would like those based on the book you're reading.
I have another one of these. I got it from a bottle.
All right, everybody has this, right? So Leah, you'll have to get the rest from somebody else in a little bit because we got to get to the actual work part. Okay. Right here, the first way we're going to test this is with a 1 whole cup, 2 whole cup, and then the bottom, put a big X through it. We're not running it with the third hole. We're just not. Big X.
That will make a ginormous mess. So
It's not a purpose of it. 1 whole cup, 2 whole cup.
people put a leaf. Do I have to put a small or you want me to put it big?
Yeah, put some leaves in there. Good idea, Bryson. Some grass. Good idea, sir.
Whoever got allergies, they can't do this. They can't.
You mean like me?
Exercise.
I have allergies to all this. Mold, grass, leaves.
So exercise out
X out the bottom row.
like this.
Yeah. Like that.
That looks like a
That'd be why I take Zysol every morning and use the next past 2 days.
The handwriting was good. I can draw too like that.
Draw some grass. It just looks nice and neat because I cut it with scissors. That's all. Okay, so what have I not done yet to it?
Add more grass.
No, I just did. What else do I need to do this experiment?
Add water in this cup. And I hold it first. I mean, who's gonna hold the cup? Who's gonna hold the cup?
What's still in the bowl? I mean, the spot.
There's grass. A whole bunch of bright grass. So pretty.
Yeah, I'm missing this.
Leaves. And two. Big water.
Had to take out the stopper, guys.
Did you decide you need the water?
All right, Ricardo.
But you don't get your head messy for this part. They just get wet. Hold your hand where
I learned my lesson yesterday. Cover the keyboard with a towel. One time. No, keyboard and water are not friends.
No, they're not.
Been there, had that problem. Okay, so I'm going to turn this back to the investigation plan so we know what we're doing. All right, so you're going to hold the bottom of this. All right, I need my friends quiet. And you hold like that and then stretch over. Okay. So why is Ricardo holding the bottom of it?
So it all goes at the same
So it
time.
all goes out at one time. And remember, we're not adding in the whole 2 liters this time. We're doing it 1 cup and we watch it, what it does to the bottom. But you guys will be seeing through here. And then when you write, so we'll not have to write for him, or he'll go over and write in a minute. We'll tell him what to write. And then we'll do a 2nd cup, and then we'll do a 3rd cup, which means we won't be using the whole 2 liters, will we?
I think. So are all the people that are doing it going to get that?
We can do all 3 trials. Okay, right. You have the number. There you go. Hang in there until I tell you to move it. Okay. Okay, now move your hands. I got it. Oh, it's not over the bucket. Oh, over the bucket. You have to. Okay, I need all the extraneous talking to stop. Can someone get us maybe 4 or 5 paper towels? Ricardo made a big old mess over here. I don't know what his deal was. Yeah, he made a big old mess. I don't know why. I would disagree, wouldn't you? You hear Bryson? He said not that much fell. Bryson needs to check his eyes, doesn't he? Oh, no, I like the white hair towels.
What happened?
White hair towels, yeah. Because unlike what Bryson assessed, yeah, we got a mess. Thank you. Oh, yeah, not that much grass and dirt, but a lot of water. Yeah, a lot of soil.
And a lot of water. He said not a lot of water fell. Still.
About 100 mils of water fell on the floor. Oh, you're not done, Ricardo. You got some more. I'll get your hand to Bryson since he said not that much water fell. Here, Bryson. Here's that not that much water fell. You're welcome. Yeah. Not that much water fell. Aren't you glad? All right, so did you guys write what happened to the box?
I don't know. I didn't.
Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in a little. It'll go in. Okay, so a little bit of the hill came down. There's a little bit of dirt that was displaced. In the bucket, a little bit of the dirt went out with the water.
Was that 2 or 1?
That was 1 cup. 1 cup whole, one trial one. Okay, so some dirt came down. Some dirt was displaced. Here's how you spell displaced. Displaced is spelled like this. Yes.
Is that where we're supposed to put?
Some dirt was displaced from the hill. Grass. Did the grass move, guys?
Yes.
The grass shifted down the hill a little. There's still extraneous talking, right? So the grass is still on the hill, but it shifted down a little bit, didn't it? Ricardo's waiting patiently for y'all. He's ready to pour more water on the floor. Well, on Bryson, since Bryson said that no water.
Yeah. Was that the dirt again?
Some dirt was displaced. Displaced is spelled on the board.
Do you want us to put off the hill?
Sure. Some dirt was displaced off the hill.
Well, I just like to write more words.
The grass. The grass. The grass.
We're on trial 2.
Nope, we're not on trial 2 yet. The grass slid down the hill a little. Holy cow, 23 messages. Yeah, somebody's chatting. I don't know, because it's class time right now.
Some people in Mr. Meaty got in trouble like that, and they were.
Okay, you ready to go for number 2? Yep. All right, this time put your hand a little more tightly underneath the hole. Okay. Yep, more mess coming. All right, y'all ready? All right, I need my friends quiet, okay? Okay, here's trial 2. All right, move hand. Okay, did more dirt come out this time? Yes, some more dirt came out. Water went where it's supposed to go this time. Some more dirt. Some more dirt was displaced. Yep, come here. Just some more dirt came out of the hill.
That's nasty. And you can see like the sand that's
Yep.
getting like a different color. And it smells disgusting.
Well, I mean, it's just mostly clear water coming out. There's just a little bit of dirt. Okay, let me do the last one. That way since your hand's dry. Or do you want to do it again? You want to do it? Okay. Ready? All right, quiet. Okay, that time we actually have, yeah, a lot more dirt coming out of the hill, don't we? Well, look at how much dirt is over here in this part of the bucket, right? There's a lot of dirt that came out of the hill this time. Look at how much dirt is coming down in the bucket. There's a lot of dirt that came out this time.
Where'd you put all the dirt yesterday?
It got dumped out outside.
Was it like real bad?
It's a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
All right, Kristen.
No, that's dirty water.
Oh, I gotta rebuild the hill.
Wow, that's nasty. It's a nasty color. It looks like something. Hey, how are you doing that if you have that?
That's why I take Zysol and Mucinex every morning now. Okay, so you should have filled out trial 1, trial 2, and trial 3 for 1 whole cup, okay? Trial 3, he just poured in a 3rd cup, did he not? He poured in a 3rd cup, that means trial 3. It moved a lot of dirt, that's exactly right. A lot of dirt went into the bucket.
Is that the 3rd one?
That was his 3rd cup. Well, with the 3rd cup, there was a lot more dirt that moved. Why would there be more dirt moved with the 3rd trial than the 1st trial? What's happened to the dirt mound by that point?
It's kind of.
Is there already water sitting in the hill by that point?
Yes.
There's quite a bit of water in the hill by that point, right?
It might be flooded.
So it's already wet, it's already holding water, and we're adding more water to it. It's already saturated. So it's, by that point, it's not holding as much water,
No.
right?
Yeah.
So the more water is being added, and that's why it's letting dirt come right out of the mound. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you need to record something in each one of your trials for that one, okay? We're about to do that. Let me clean my hands. Okay, I'm gonna do this one so that I can keep it tighter held, okay? So this has got 2 holes. All right, everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, this is trial 1, 2 whole cup, okay? So first trial, and it's already let out some dirt. It looked like a river of dirt coming out on first trial. That makes a good description. All right, that's your trial 1. It looked like a river of dirt coming out on trial 1. River of dirt and water.
It looks like a trial of dirt.
No, a river of dirt and water. Because look, we have like right here, it looks like a delta. Look. You see this? It looked like a delta. You see it with the sand?
The whole hill looks like I said that. I said it looks like a river because like the little parts of the boxes, like the dents, it's going down that way.
Do you guys see the delta that I'm talking about of sand that it left behind?
Yeah, I was talking about that. It made it darker.
Okay, are y'all ready for trial 2? The first one, trial 1, looked like a river of sand and soil.
I put dirt and water.
Are y'all ready for trial 2?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, trial 2. A lot more dirt went out with this one. Trial 2, there's a lot more dirt that came out. I know you guys can't see this right now, but look at all this soil over here. Can you guys see this over here that I'm pointing to? Look at all that soil that just came out. That just happened.
Right, like where the grass ends, it looks like a big bunch of stuff.
Okay, trial 3. Now look at the hill. A whole bunch of the hill just went down.
Can I just say the hill's gone?
Actually, the grass helped it, but right here, there's like a piece that went way down right here.
What should we put?
The part of the hill just kind of collapsed. Trial 3, 2 holes, part of the hill just collapsed. Everybody hear me? Trial 3, 2 holes, part of the hill collapsed. Hill collapsed. C-O-L-L-A-P. See, here's the gravel. Hold on, I gotta clean my hand. C-O-L-L-A-P-S-E-D. A-P-S-E-D. Okay, Logan. Yes. C-O-L-L-A-P-S-E-D. Guys, yesterday at no time did gravel come pouring out. This time gravel came out. Yeah, the little pieces of rock came out this time.
Where's the rock?
I moved it back now, but that time gravel came out with the 2 holes.
Oh, you mean the pebbles?
Yes, that's gravel.
That's never happened.
I know.
Maybe it was so strong.
Yes.
I like it because it's like you're taking the basket of pencil shavings and this is what you're doing. Like it's a basket of pencil shavings. I'm not actually wash this dish.
Boy, I'm appreciating this peat moss so much this week. I'm appreciating this peat moss a whole lot.
It makes it dirtier.
No, it makes it absorb the water. It's very absorbent. Okay, did everybody online get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
see how lovely my hand looks?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, like a hug. Don't touch
Oh, you would like a hug, huh?
I would like a hug too.
Oh, you want me to wash my hands first? Picky.
Yeah.
No, how about draw it with mud? First give them a hug and rub the blood all over their face.
Right, they get a mud facial.
Oh, that's actually very healthy.
Can you give me a beer? What if we had a ball?
Yes, it
We're
is.
gonna have baseball.
Maybe not with this kind of mud.
Maybe not that kind of mud, but certain mud.
Yes, I know. Okay.
You could put mud over your face and then you would be safe from snakes. Some type of reptile.
It's manure.
I did. I went to Logan.
She went to me. It's manure.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, that's not.
It's yours.
That is what do we call it?
I don't remember.
We said a lot more dirt, soil,
It's soil, but it has
Peat moss?
and
Peat.
it has peat moss in it, but it also has wood chips. No, it doesn't have fertilizer. It has wood chips in it.
What?
Wood chips. All right, Logan, go right there.
Is it made from a piece of plastic? Why not?
Make it quick because we're about to go over conclusions and then one other part. All right, I need the talking to stop.
So we're doing one more thing?
So, did adding water more quickly to the hill make erosion happen more quickly?
Yeah.
Because the cup with two holes made the erosion happen quicker, didn't it? It's not like adding more gas to your car. Might be pressing the accelerator faster. Makes the car go faster, doesn't it?
Well, when you have no gas, the car doesn't go.
Correct.
It goes slow and then it breaks down.
You have no gas.
I wish I had a Tesla. I don't need a Tesla yet.
All right. What did you need, Marta? You got finished trial two? Okay. So trial one, I'm gonna look on Jordan's. Trial one hole, 2 holes, it looked like a river of dirt and water. Trial two, 2 holes, a lot more dirt, soil, and water came out of the, y'all said bucket, but y'all meant this thing, screen table. And then trial 3, part of the hill collapsed. What is it, Logan? Nope. Once it comes out, there's nothing to be done.
Is that what you need to refer to?
All I do is just one more page and we're done.
Yeah. So, the back page, page 40. Okay, go to page 40 when you finish that. So now we have to answer our question. What affects how quickly or slowly erosion occurs? So does adding in water faster make erosion happen faster?
Yeah.
Okay, write that.
Wait, what'd you say?
Adding in water, adding in water faster, adding in water faster
Yeah, I get it.
makes erosion.
What'd you say?
Adding in water faster makes erosion makes erosion
Go faster.
occur more quickly.
Quicker. Can we put quicker?
You can.
I've always done my so instead of just doing like a right down, I like curve it out. Adding in water faster makes the erosion occur more quickly.
Yes. Adding in water faster makes erosion,
Is that all we have to write?
yes, occur more quickly. I used the words that were used in our initial question. That's why I used more quickly. Because you always try to go back to your initial question. Getting there. 9:45. $15. Guys, please remember it's not just you in this class. I also have virtual students I'm trying to help. So please stop your talking. Guys, stop. Okay, so my online friends, do you need me to go back? Oops, let me move this so you can see this. Are you able to see the conclusion? Adding in water faster makes erosion occur more quickly. Do you need me to go back?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need me
No,
to go
ma'am.
back and show anybody anything in the table, in the chart? Thank you, Jordan. Okay. So here was our plan. I actually didn't record data because every class our data is going to be a little bit different. I could grab a student's data table. Okay. I was going to show you guys what the bucket looks like because it's terrible looking. That's a lot of mud that came out, right? Yeah. Y'all see this?
Wow. everything in this is all black.
You see this?
Yes.
It's got some clear water in there, but it's got a lot of dirt. It's showing on Elmo.
That's sewer water.
No, it's not.
It's dirt water.
If it were sewer water, everybody in here would smell it.
Yeah.
And we don't,
Sewer water.
thankfully. Yeah,
Yeah, that's sewer water.
that's not poop water. No better than that. Okay, guys, we are actually done with today's lesson. So if you guys will submit photos of your pages that are done, I will update grades, okay?
Can you please go back to the conclusion part?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
My face-to-face kids, I need you to stop talking, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully it'll start getting darker because right now it's really pale, the words. You can read a book, absolutely. Yes, Megan.
Is it okay if I send it to you after school?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, remember it's one person at a time at the bookshelf and stop talking. They're still talking. Knock it off. I'm sure Miss Hall told you guys, but the library books can't go home, okay? My books don't leave my classroom. Joanna, what's the story with the belt? Joanna, what's the story with the belt? Oh, if you have a backpack, you can put it in your backpack. I personally don't care about belts. If you hadn't noticed, I really don't care about uniforms. No. All right, guys, quiet. All right, when you get a book, go sit with it, okay? I like the on bread a lot. Pink is second grade. What is it? Yes, that's the author. Yeah, Brett makes some good books. Brett. She also did the illustration.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. It's an elementary. It has to do with kids in the high school. Some do, some don't. Hey, what? I'm gonna grade it, but I have to sit my desk. Guys, I would like to grade your science stuff, so just leave it open at your desk. Actually, while you're in here, but I gotta have quiet to do it. All right, has everybody finished this? Because if so, I'm gonna go ahead and end this so I can upload it to Canvas. So is everybody?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so does anybody need me to leave the Zoom on, or is everybody finished?
We're done.
Okay.
Done.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and I will have this up on Canvas probably sometime during enrichment, so probably by about 10 o'clock or so, okay?
Okay.
See you guys Monday, okay?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.